What if I told you that your WhatsApp could automatically reply to your customers? Yes, you can do it by creating an AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. So now let me show you what I'm talking about. So right here I'm going to act as a user, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is, hey, I need help, and we will see that I get an automated reply. So here I have entered this question, and now I am going to get the answer of all the random questions I am going to ask about my particular business. And right here you can see that I am getting the response, and this response says, of course I am here to help with insurance related questions and support from secure life insurance advisors. So right here I have created my this AI assistant for my insurance business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. And now here I'm going to enter another question, that is, my monthly income is rupees 80,000. How much life insurance should I buy? Now let me enter this question, and we will see whether we get the response or not. So right here you can see that I'm getting the answer according to my question. Now let's enter one more question to check the proper working. So right here I'm going to enter this question, that is, what documents are required to buy insurance? Now let's wait for the response. So right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question consisting the required documents for insurance. So now you have seen that I'm getting the answer of my random questions. And now you might be thinking how I'm getting all these responses exactly based on my business. So here it is doing so because I have provided knowledge base to my this AI assistant. So knowledge base is basically a document consisting the details of my business. So right here you can see that this is the knowledge base which I have created for my insurance agency. And right here you can see that I have started this knowledge base with a business overview so that my AI can understand what my business about is and who my target audience is. And this knowledge base basically acts as a brain for your AI assistant. And right here I have entered all the insurance solutions provided by my agency. And now by using this knowledge base, my AI assistant is going to fetch the data and resolve the queries of my customer. And right here I have entered all these details in key points so that my AI doesn't get confused. And now let me show you how you can create an amazing AI assistant for whatever business you are running, whether it's any service-based business or any online business. And for that, you have to move towards the AI assistant page for creating this AI assistant. So right here I'm on the AI assistant page which I have got through my Pabbly Chatflow. So for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to type its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation or this AI assistant and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here we are on this AI instructions tab, where I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent, as I'm creating an AI assistant. And right here we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. Now for this AI configuration section, we are getting this option for setting the temperature. So here temperature basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more forecast, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative, but I'm going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most suitable temperature. And now from this field, our OpenAI will be selected, and here you can select the model of your OpenAI. And now we have to enter the API key for building the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Chatflow. And for getting this API key, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given over the help desk. And right here we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key button, and right here you have to provide the name and the project name and click over this create secret key, and your API key will be created if you are using a paid account. And right here I already have my API key, so I'm going to just click over this connect button, and here you can see that my OpenAI key has been saved successfully. Now we are getting this AI assistant settings section, from where you can modify some of your AI assistant settings, such as you can provide the header or the footer message by just enabling these toggles. And afterwards we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. And now we are getting this setting for the retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and its valid range is from 1 to 10, so you can enter the number from 1 to 10. And at last we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. Now let's move on towards our knowledge source, and here we have to provide the knowledge base to our AI assistant. And you can upload your knowledge base either in .txt or .pdf file format. So now let's upload it. So right here I'm on my media library, where you can upload your knowledge base by simply selecting this add new file. But right now I already have my knowledge base, so I'm going to just select it and click over this insert button. And now let's wait it to get uploaded. And right here you can see that my knowledge base has been uploaded successfully, and we are getting the name and the vector ID. Now let's configure the assistant interface, and right here it is asking me to enter my header display heading name. So here I'm going to enter my header display heading name as Secure Life, which is the name of my brand. And here as I have entered it, you might have observed one change, and that to in the preview of your AI assistant, that we are getting the same heading name, and right after we are getting this option for subheading name. So here we are getting this subheading name, which can also be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. And right after we are getting this option for initial message, which can be seen on the preview too. And now afterwards we are getting this option for display the powered by Pabbly label, which you can either enable or disable. Now let's change it to disable and see the changes. And right here you can see that my powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I'm going to keep it as enable only. Now for the next field, you can provide the footer text and the footer link too. And at last we are getting this option for users first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. Now let's customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant in the styling tab. So right here you can select your preferred theme mode, the preferred assistant shape, and you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And right here we are getting this option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture too. So this was the simple process for automating the conversation by creating this AI assistant. And now we just have to activate it by enabling this toggle. Let's save it by simply selecting the save button. And now if you wish to embed this AI assistant to your website for answering customer queries, then you can just click over this embed button. And right here we are getting the script code which you can paste over your business, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So now you can also automate this entire process of business communication by just using Pabbly Chatflow. And now one more important task is remaining, that is enabling AI assistant for your all contact or particular contact list or a particular chat. So for enabling it for all the contacts, let's move on towards the settings, where you have to select inbox settings. And right here at last we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies, which you have to keep enabled. And from the field of the contact list, you can either select your all contact or a particular contact list. And from this field of the AI assistant, you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So this is the process for enabling AI assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list. Now let's do it for a particular chat. So for that, let's move on towards my inbox, where I'm going to select this chat. So right here I have selected this chat, and here we are getting this option for choose AI assistant on the right hand side, which I'm going to keep enable. And from here I'm going to select the AI assistant which I have just created. Now let's save it by simply selecting the save button. And right here you can see that my AI assistant has been enabled successfully. So this was the process for creating AI assistant. So now you can also automate this entire process without requiring any coding or technical skills. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.